Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com, news on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. This podcast was sponsored by cryptocurrency payment technology Flip, a creation of FitPay Inc., a leading provider of cutting-edge payment technology and a subsidiary of NextID, traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol NXTD. NextID is a provider of healthcare devices as well as payment credential management and authentication platform services. Learn more about how to order Flip at fliptopay.com. And Crypto Corner is also sponsored by Genesis Blockchain Technologies, or GBT. GBT is a powerful cryptocurrency centralized-decentralized exchange, which will include a broad range of services and benefits from cryptocurrency and blockchain markets development, while avoiding complications and risks arising from cryptocurrency ownership, transfer, and exchange. You can download the Genesis Exchange and Wallet app at Google Play and on the Apple App Store. Learn more at www.mygenesis.io. Hey folks, Sam Mowers here, your host for Crypto Corner. So today we're going to talk about the Bitcoin rally witnessed over the weekend, which indeed still appears to be in progress. Then we'll take a look at where Binance is at following their hack last week, Boerse Stuttgart's listing of XRP and Litecoin ETNs, and HTC's newly announced blockchain smartphone. So as we enter a new week, total market capitalization sits at $229 billion US, according to data from CoinMarketCap. That's a full $37 billion more than when we left off on Friday's Crypto Corner. This, of course, follows a roller coaster weekend in which we saw a dramatic return of the Bitcoin bull market. After a steady climb, Bitcoin broke the $6,000 support level last Wednesday, only to skyrocket to a peak of just under $7,500 late Saturday. Currently, Bitcoin is trading for $7,750 with a market cap of $137 billion, comprising 59% of the total crypto market. This rally was accompanied by a record high in trading volume for Bitcoin set on Sunday, May the 12th. BlockFire founder Jonathan Habicht tweeted, quote, $29 billion in Bitcoin volume was traded today. The previous high of $25.5 billion was set on January 8, 2018. Technically, more Bitcoin could have been moved as prices have historically been lower, but today was record volume, end quote. And of course, all of this trading volume occurred despite the biggest crypto exchange by trading volume, Binance, being shut down following a hack on May 7th. In a blog post yesterday, however, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, or CZ, confirmed that the exchange will open back up for withdrawals and deposits tomorrow. Quote, our team is making progress and has been working through the weekend. In the past few days, we've made some significant overhauls to our system with a large number of advanced security features added and or completely re-architected. We will share details on some of the changes later. We aim to fully resume deposits and withdrawals on Tuesday. The time will be communicated at a later stage depending on how the testing goes. This upgrade will require a trading halt. We will update you again tomorrow, end quote. CoinDesk reports that Boerse Stuttgart, that's Germany's second largest stock exchange, has listed two exchange-traded notes, or ETNs, allowing XRP and Litecoin to be traded against the Swedish krona and the euro. Jürgen Dietrich, Boerse Stuttgart's director for blue chips and funds trading, said, quote, there is a lot of interest in cryptocurrencies, end quote, and that these ETNs will enable tracking of, quote, future price development, end quote. And Cointelegraph reports that Taiwanese electronics giant HTC, which is traded on the Taiwanese Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol 2498, has announced a smartphone with Bitcoin full node capability. The Exodus 1S will be released at the end of the third quarter this year and develops on the company's first-generation smartphone, the Exodus 1. Phil Chen, the decentralized chief officer at HTC, said, quote, full nodes are the most important ingredient in the resilience of the Bitcoin network, and we have lowered the barrier to entry for any person to run a node, participating in a global Bitcoin network that propagates transactions and blocks everywhere, end quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music. For disclosure purposes, NextID is a PR news and social media featured company on InvestorIdeas.com.